Perfect. Perfect.
What up, YouTube? Your boy out here today with a new video. We're gonna be going to a chill meet today. It's gonna be out in Phoenix. They're just gonna have like a bunch of different truck solo riders and everybody chilling at a park, doing a little grill and chill. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray down the Molona real quick. Get rid of all that surface dust. Nothing too fancy, you know. Just get rid of that surface dust. Make it look a little bit nicer. I mean, I'm not gonna go do a full detail right now, but just something, you know, something light. So let's get to it.
Perfect. Perfect.
1 hour later.
Pulled up to the homeboy Henry's house. I'm gonna help him put on his rear bumper before we hit to the meet. We gotta stop by the store too, get some stuff for the grill. And everybody's contributing. Otherwise, little cookout. Damn, Nando's here already too. We just pulled up. Everybody out here. Now we pulled up at the same time.
Out here, I was circling for a little bit.
I passed through and I didn't see them before.
God, are you the guy from Instagram?
I don't know.
Oh my God, you're the famous guy from Instagram, huh?
You're the famous guy who's making that show, huh?
No.
no, wrong person.
Okay, sus.
¿Cómo estamos dando?
Ya me trajiste mi sticker.
De la troquita, ahí está en la troca.
¿Sí?
Sí.
¿Ya la arreglaste? Vi que te habías ponchado.
No me ponché.
Se salió el...
Where's Calvin at?
Oh, he's by the park. Little girl.
Oh, he's with the daughter?
Yeah.
He started running.
Oh, you said 10,000? I got you 4.
Oh, you'll fix my leak? Thanks. You need water?
I don't know. You want water?
The water's in
You want a cookie?
I'm playing, hell yeah, I'm playing with that. Who's all playing here? I'm selling tickets.
all of us.
Hey, my crew's not big enough. I need help.
Hey, Henry and Andy are coming.
Come on, you're gonna play. So how many you guys have?
We're only got 2 people, so.
Are you playing? How many is it? 10. 10. There's 10 of them. All right. Hey.
Take a shot.
We're gonna flip and see who kicks first. Kelly, you got another booth number over there. Alright, hey! Where's he at? He's the captain of the team. Alright. President! I gotta be captain. President. Call it. Heads or tails? Heads.
I like heads. I like heads.
They kick out first.
Nando, are you leaving? You're not leaving? Can you hold my keys? Alright, cool.
Hey, so what are we throwing the ball? How do we get him out? Hey, if the guy's running, you can throw the ball on him. If you hit him, he's out. Hey, so you guys gonna fucking drop Hey, that's out. You have to go back. 2 out. 2 out. If you catch it, you gotta stay on first. You can't move. Okay. Hey, second base, third base, it's the same. Ready? Make sure you get a fresh quick. 3 out. 3 out. He's got to go back to Mexico. Let's go. We're playing that game now. Hit it!
Alright guys, well that's today for today's vlog. We had fun at the chill meet. Had a little cookout, ate some hot dogs, we played some kickball. Ended up losing. Oh well, they had more people either way, but it was fun. Guys, well don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to give me that thumbs up. I'm gonna keep doing that 100 likes gets one giveaway. So for every 100 likes, we'll do another giveaway, and so on and so on. So make sure to thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe.